me the other day saying his car got blown up by an orbital cannon. Buddy, who are you beefing with? The Avengers? I don't even know if what we do is legal, okay? He broke into the military base and stole a jet and then called me saying they blew up his car. Well, no shit! Yeah, he's the best customer ever. We have to spend billions of dollars fixing this dude's supercars for him to pay us like $1,000. What the fuck? One day this maniac called me talking about his car got blown up by a tank. I said, buddy, we can't afford that. He walked into my office and robbed me. I didn't even know this was possible. He must be friends with Bruce Wayne because I swear to you, he has a car that is legit a submarine. And he blew it up one time and apparently we fixed it for $2,000. He's called us so much that he just skips through the whole conversation. He knows the process. One day I'm watching Weasel News as this man is running from the cops. I get a call from him mid-chase telling me to repair his car and put it around the corner. I had to do it, man.